UShip Delivery Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think shipping large or unusual items is a hassle, but you won't believe what happens next when you can compare hundreds of carriers in one place. UShip is an online marketplace connecting people who need to ship items like vehicles, furniture, or heavy equipment with transport service providers. You post your shipment, receive bids, and select a carrier that fits your needs. The surprising truth about UShip is that it can significantly reduce shipping costs while providing tracking, insurance options, and customer reviews to vet carriers before hiring. Most people get this wrong. They assume the cheapest quote is always the best. Quality, reliability, and insurance coverage are crucial for avoiding damage or delays. UShip is best for individuals, small businesses, or sellers needing flexible, cost-effective shipping solutions. The surprising truth is that transparency and competition create better pricing and service options for heavy or unique shipments. Subscribe for more honest delivery and shipping platform reviews that save you money and stress.